All right, we're going to look at our next project is going to be about creating YouTube art, YouTube channel art. You could call it a YouTube banner, YouTube channel art, whatever you want to call it. And you have a ton of choice about what you make here, and I'm going to give time for this. In class, it's going to be a 2-day thing. If you're working at home, you can kind of spread that out over the amount of time that you wish and get it in when it's done. This will... I'm going to fire up Photoshop and just show you the things that you need to know. There will be a handout posted on Google Classroom to help guide you along a little bit. And this will have to be, I'm just showing you the Photoshop part of it. If you're working from home, you're going to have to connect to the remote desktop, and you'll want to connect to that Google file stream, and it's in the other movie that I have posted so that you can see how to do that. And it'll be kind of important to connect to the Google file stream, because that way when you're working in Photoshop on the remote desktop, you can save your work on your Google Drive by using that connection that you create in Google File Stream. All right, so here's how this is going to work. When you do YouTube art, channel art, we'll create a new document, but it's not necessarily going to be a size that is posted here on any of these. I don't think they have it on necessarily any of these. Haven't really looked at all the templates, but I don't think it's a size that they have posted here on any of these. So what we want, and this will be on the handout if you don't remember it, we're going to want the width to be 2650 and the height to be 1440. And the resolution of 72 is fine, and I'm going to turn off the artboard. We don't really need that artboard thing. So take a look at that, 2650 by 1440, the resolution of 72, and the artboard is turned off. That's a recommendation from YouTube. They say that's their recommended size for when you're creating channel art. Now I'm going to show you some things that will make a little bit of a difference as you work through here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create. And you know what might be helpful is if I hop up here and go to my channel and look up at the top. That's what we mean by channel art right there. If you look at the top of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to do a couple of sort of similar things here, just a quick demo, but there it is. That's my channel art. So let's go back to Photoshop here. All right, now here's the thing. You can view a YouTube channel on all kinds of different devices. You could look at it on a television, you could look at it on a mobile phone, you could look at it on a laptop or on a desktop computer. And when you design the channel art, it's going to kind of look different on different devices. All right. Well, so what I'm going to recommend you do here, I'm going to kind of design with like a laptop computer or a desktop computer in mind, something like what I just showed you here. I would like for it to fit in this environment here. I'm on my computer. I'm not on my phone. I'm not on a tablet. This is not really a TV screen. I'm looking at a computer monitor, and that's kind of how I would like for it to fit. Well, all right. So what you got to do in that case, if you want it to fit on a computer monitor, you want to kind of take, I'm just going to kind of guess here, but about the top third of it here, and just